Doing some more upgrades to my FrontRunner cab and canopy racks. I've got an extra set of these feet that I'm going to put in the middle, so I'll have 3 sets on each side. And then I've got fill-in rails, these slats. I've got 3 more, so I'm going to put one here, one here, and one here, so this is a solid rack. I had to replace this one because rooftop tent grinded down the end there, and I added another one right there when I put a table in. I'm leaving those 2 empty for my sunroof can actually be functional. I've got 2 23-0 canopies coming. So here's the upgrades we're going to be working on today. These are the 3 slats I'm going to replace, or actually add to it. I've got extra hardware to replace those. And then this is one of the older canopy or quick awning sets. They don't make this one anymore, but this is going to be for a 180 degree awning, and it's going to be a quick release. So this is going to be mounted to the cab rack, something like that, and then the quick release is right here, and then this will be mounted to the actual side of the awning. The 180 degree awning will go on the driver's side, and then this kit is going to be for the 270 degree awning. This will be a quick release as well. I haven't even looked at this one yet. And then here's the extra set of feet that I have to put right in between here. You can see there's a big gap between the rear and the front. Just because of the weight I'm carrying, I'm going to put one more set on each side in the middle. And you're going to take the whole thing apart to put these on. When I got these racks 5 years ago in 2021, they didn't have one this long. They made 2 pieces. That's why there wasn't a fill-in here, because of where the connectors were on each side. Now I purchased new pieces that are long enough to fill in my rack. There's a little bit of a gap here, but I'm okay with that. And I'm going to get that done. And a lot of the hardware was rusting. So I'm going to replace all these bolts. I don't know if we can focus on that. They're all rusting after 5 years, so I've got a whole new bolt set coming in, and I'm going to put some sealant on the threads so that it doesn't, hopefully limits the rust. And then also installed a table kit. So this is a FrontRunner latch. This lifts up, and then I've got a 30-inch by 44.5-inch stainless steel table, so I don't have to carry it in the back. My whole goal with this Yukon River Quest trip is to get as much stuff outside the vehicle so I have more space inside the vehicle. And with the decked drawer system, there's not a lot of storage in here to carry the gear that I want to keep out of the weather. So that's what I'm working on today. Yukon River Quest 2026 is 65 days from today.